Hey guys, this will probably be my last video for a little while until I come to grips with the loss of my junk in my bedroom. It threw me for a loop. Cleaning up my workbench threw me for a loop, man. Don't know why. Wish I'd focus. I'm editing a PSA. I feel silly saying that. I'm editing a PSA for the Aging Ham. My second one, actually, volume 2. So if you're young, be aware. Don't get any older. And I say that jokingly. Retirement is amazing. And so is this. A channel recommendation for a delicious wobbly pop. The swill of choice of peckerheads of yesteryear. PBR. My swill of choice and yours. And on a serious note, hey guys, you want to have some fun working DX? I may have called the ARRL. My wobbly pop is becoming apparent. A little while back, I called the ARRL International DX Contest Sideband CW Edition, though clearly the most popular contest of the year. And then I said the same thing about their the last contest I worked, man, and I did a video on, right? So I think I may have led you wrong. The most popular contest of the year, without a doubt, is their International DX Contest Sideband Edition, and thus the subject of this video. If you guys want to have a lot of fun, if you're a newer ham or you just haven't noticed, the couple days running up to the start of the contest are a good time, man. A good time. People are hunkered down, they're set up, they're ready for war, and they're working everyone they can, man. It's really calm, it's really relaxed, it's really fun, It's a friendly, fun, relaxed, And it's a good time, man. The run up to the contest is a heck of a lot more fun than the contest itself. That's my tip of the day from Flozo. Be well, guys. I'm taking a break while I come to grips with things, man. I hope you enjoy yourselves and have some fun. Play in the contest, man. Turn your power down to 5 or 10 watts. You may be amazed who you can work. 73.